Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a shadow to an image inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Canva and get that image. Open up that project with that image where you'd like to add a shadow to. And once you've done that, for this demonstration, I've got this monkey here. So click on the photo and then you want to click on edit photo. And then from here, scroll down, look down where it says FX effects. Click on shadows. And now you've got a few different options to pick from. So you can go for a glow shadow, a drop shadow, or an outline shadow. So as you can see, if I go back to drop, you can change the size of the shadow, the blur amount, the distance, intensity. Same with glow, the blur amount. So just have a play around with the settings to see how you like your shadow for that image. And yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to add a shadow to an image inside Canva. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.